Today, the spotlight is on SC Johnson Professional, which manufactures the innovative product called faciliscan. It's an entry in the ISSA Innovation Award program and can be seen right now on the ISSA show website. With us today to talk about faciliscan is Mike Flagg with SC Johnson Professional. Mike, tell us about your product and what impact it has for those in the industry.
Thanks, Jeff. Yeah, faciliscan is a mobile facility auditing application designed and developed by SC Johnson Professional. The application helps users perform quality assurance audits in the facilities they maintain, as well as manage employee resources and performance. We work directly with building service providers that regularly conduct facility audits to develop faciliscan. It's an intuitive tool that can be easily customized based on parameters that may be unique to your organization.
Tell us a little bit more about the innovative aspect of this product.
Sure. One of the key features of the faciliscan program is its adaptability to your organization and your unique processes. Your program administrators are able to add nomenclature utilized within your organization, create zones to fit your auditing process, and set auditing schedules that best fit your needs. In addition, facility auditors are able to utilize the mobile app in real time to create building zones, add measurement specifications, and track capital equipment inventory to avoid loss of valuable assets. faciliscan allows BSCs and facility managers to easily access historical audit data to gauge the effectiveness and compliance of cleaning programs over time. Program administrators are able to create customized audit reports and distribute to internal or external stakeholders for review. To learn more about the features of this program and watch our video, visit our website at faciliscan.com. We'll also be at the ISSA show in Las Vegas in November. Stop by our booth to talk with our team or learn more about our full line of products ahead of the show at our virtual ISSA exhibit.